We're back with another quick recipe. This time, a high-protein cottage cheese queso. This dip is made with super simple ingredients. It only takes a couple minutes to prep. So let's jump right into it. In the comments below, let me know who you think makes the best tortilla chips. The first thing you'll need for this is something to get your cottage cheese smooth. I usually go with a food processor, but a blender works great too. Add right into whatever you're using 1 cup of cottage cheese and 1 tablespoon of a low sodium taco seasoning mix. Process or blend until your mix is creamy, then pour it into a bowl. You can add in a little water if it seems too thick when you're mixing it. Continue by adding in a half a cup of cheese. I like either cheddar or Colby Jack. Mix that in. Here's where you can optionally mix in some diced jalapenos, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, crushed red pepper, chili powder, and so on. I'll put more of my favorites in a quick recipe for taco seasoning mix with metric conversions on the proteinchef.co. It's always linked up here or below in the description. Now to melt your cheese, you have 2 options. 1, in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure to mix everything around every 20 to 30 seconds so it heats up evenly. Or 2, on the stovetop over low heat. Keep it moving until warm. You'll know it's done when it looks like this. Couple tips for this one. Number 1, you can double or triple the recipe if you're bringing it to a party. Number 2, for even more protein, mix in a cooked protein like some rotisserie chicken, lean beef, or canned tuna. Number 3, top it with pico de gallo or salsa. Speaking of salsa, the winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was Bang. Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many tortilla chips. 1 guess per person, and the first one closest to the weight wins a shaker for sure. Thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more recipes like this. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a video. Don't forget to check out the proteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.